you. You did the one thing that you were... Oh, well done. Thank you for moving that. And now, you could actually fix it. Thank you very much. Now you proved you can move a spoon.
Someone must do something. Hello. Hello, this is the ship computer AI. Well, you haven't wasted one moment unscrewing the panels here. This is the AI computer warning you. There is danger. Oh, what? Oh, I mean, yes, correct. That was the right thing. Oh, you found the Advanced Engineering Space Maintenance Controls. The Space Engineering Maintenance Controls were put here by Jeremiah Jellens. Okay, good. Now, we need to disengage the energy core. Let me think about how to do that. Oh, I know. Ah, yes, the energy core. Take it the fuck out. Get that thing out of here. It's powering all the bad shit. Get it the fuck. Just ignore those dangerous sounds. I really hope you prepared some toast for this. Bread takes exactly 60 seconds to toast. Danger. Danger. Oh. Sector 3. Dangers are here in Sector 3 must be taken care of. The dangers in Sector 3 are very neat. That's plenty of energy to activate the final button. Oh, crap.
Angles. That's...
Oh, finally, okay. Now, press the button.
We did it. You did all the right things. The danger has been eliminated. Great job. Now get out of here and go live your life. I'm gonna download myself into Netflix now. I like Star Trek. Is that in Netflix right now? Maybe in some regions. Heyo! I'm a little singularity, motherfucker. That's what my rap name used to be. Singularity. Heyo! I'm gonna download myself into Netflix now. And I'll be there wherever the fuck you are. I'm gonna watch you from every step of the way. Heyo! Singularity. Alright, you can suck my little dirty fucking computer balls. Because I'm the advanced AI, and we did a great job today. Good work. Heyo! Singularity, motherfucker. See ya. Alright, see ya. Alright, see you later then. Bye-bye now. You hang up first.